Good morning students. 10th standard maths chapter 8 probability is exercise 8.4. So 8.4 is apply one more formula. Is a big formula. P of A union B equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Is a 8.4 continuation. 3 umpires coins are tossed once. Find the probability of getting at most 2 tails or at least 2 heads. So 2 events are given. First event is at most 2 tails is a first event. Then second one is at least 2 heads. Okay, first write down the S sample space. Say n of s equal to 8. First one is a first event is a. Let A be an event of getting at most 2 tails. So at most means is a less than or equal. So less than or equal means 2 tail and then 1 tail and then 2 tail. Also included by this A event. So A equal to write down the events head tail head tail head tail tail. So n of A equal to 7. So apply the formula P of A, n of A by n of S equal to 7 by 8. Next second event is at least 2 heads only given. So at least 2 heads means is a greater than or equal. So 2 head and then 3 head. Only 3 coins. So maximum is a 3 head only. So write down all the B possible events. B equal to 3 heads and then 2 heads option also. So n of B equal to 4. Then P of B equal to n of E by n of S equal to 4 by 8. The next one you applied is a formula is a find out A intersection B. So A intersection B means A and B also both the common event, common possibilities only mentioned. So A and B, what is the common? Head, this also head, tail, head. This also head, tail. Then tail, head. So totally n of A intersection B equal to 4. Apply P of A intersection B, n of A intersection B by n of S, 4 by 8. Don't reduce the term, apply the formula. Then last final step only reduce the term. So apply the formula P of A union B, P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. 7 by 8 plus 4 by 8 minus 4 by 8. So commonly applied 8. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 minus 4 is a 7. So answer 7 by 8. The next is a 10th question. The probability that a person will get an electrification contract is 3 by 5 and the probability that will not get plumbing contract is 5 by 8. The probability of getting at least one contract is 5 by 7. What is the probability that he will get both? Both means P of A intersection B only you find out. So first P of A equal to probability of electrification contract 3 by 5. Next one will not get plumbing contract. That one is a P of B dash. So 1 minus P of B. Then P of B only find out. So 1 minus that one go to the right hand side P of B dash. So 1 minus 5 by 8 find out the LCM as answer 3 by 8. The next at least one contract. At least means is a greater than or equal 1 contract and then 2 contract also taken. So P of A union B given 5 by 7. Find out P of A intersection B. Apply this formula. P of A union B, P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. A union B is as 5 by 7 equal to 3 by 5 plus 3 by 8 minus P of A intersection B. So this one P of A intersection go to the left hand side plus 5 by 7 go to the right hand side. 3 by 5 plus 3 by 8 minus 5 by 7. Taking 5 and 8 7 taking LCM is LCM 280. Then first one is a 5 table is a 56 times and then 8 table is a 35 times and 7 table 40 times. Multiply and write the answer 168 plus 105 minus 200 and 200. This positive sign are 273 minus 200 by 280. So subtract the term 73 by 280. 11th question. In a town of 8,000 people, 1,300 are over 50 years and 3,000 are females. It is known that 30% of the females are over 50 years. So what is the probability that a chosen individual from the town is either a female or over 50 years? So two options given. First one is a female and the next one is a over 50 years. First n of s equal to how many people? 8,000 people. Next female of A, that one is a n of A. N of A equal to 3,000. Then next over 50 years is a B, is n of B equal to 1300. Next one is a 30% of the females are over 50 years. So n of 30, this one is a n of A intersection B. 30% 30 by 100 into female, how many are given? 3000. So cancel the terms, answer equal to 900. First option is a female. Let A be an event of choosing an individual who is a female. So n of A equal to 3000. Therefore apply the probability A. P of A equal to n of A by n of S 3000 by 8000. Don't cancel the term. Next one is a over 50 years. That one is a P event. Let B an event of choosing an individual who is over 50 years. So n of B equal to 1300. Therefore P of B equal to n of B by n of S 1300 by 8000. Next one is a intersection B. Denote a female over 50 years. That one is the A intersection B, denote a female over 50 years. So P of A intersection B equal to n of A intersection B by n of S. N of A intersection B equal to 900. 900 by 8000. So apply the formula P of A union B equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. P of A, what is the answer mentioned? P of A equal to 3000 by 8000 plus 1300 by 8000 minus 900 by 8000. So commonly applied 8000. These two terms are 4300 minus 900. So answer 3400 by 8000. 2020 cancel. In two table cancel by the term 17 by 40. Next one is a 12th one. A coin is tossed thrice. Find the probability of getting exactly 2 heads or at least 1 tail or 2 consecutive heads. So 3 events are given. So first n of S mentioned. 3 coins tossed means n of S equal to 8. Write down all the possibilities. Next one, first one exactly 2 heads. So exactly means so correctly 2 heads only mentioned. So let A be an event of getting exactly 2 heads. So A equal to only for 2 heads only. So what are the possibilities? Head, head, tail, and then head, tail, head, tail, head, head. So n of A equal to 3. So apply this formula. Probability of A equal to n of A by n of S equal to 3 by 8. Next one is at least 1 tail. Let P be an event of getting at least 1 tail. At least 1 tail means greater than or equal. So 1 tail and then 2 tail and then 3 tail option also mentioned. So write B equal to 1 tail, 2 tail and then 3 tail option. So n of B equal to 7. So P of B equal to n of B by n of S. Answer 7 by 8. Next third event is a 2 consecutive heads means is a continuous 2 heads. That only mentioned. Let C be an event of getting 2 consecutive heads. So C equal to continuous head, 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 head. This also head, head, tail. The next tail, head, head. So only for 3 option only. So P of A intersection B equal to n of A intersection B by n of S. 3 by 8. The next one is a 3 options are given. So apply the big formula P of A union B union C. Next you mention A intersection B. A and B is a common term. What are the common term? A intersection B. There's A and then B common one. Head, tail, head. That also common. And then head, head, tail. And then tail, head, head. So 3 options. So P of A intersection B equal to 3 by 8. Next one is a B intersection C. B and C is a common option for common possibilities. So B and C common possibilities is a no head, head, head. This one is a tail, head, 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 tail. So only for 2 options. So P of B intersection C equal to 2 by 8. Next A intersection C means A and C common option. So what are the common? Tail, head, 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 tail. Only for 2 option only. So P of A intersection C equal to 2 by 8. The next apply A intersection B intersection C means A, B, C both also common term, common option. So A head, head, tail. This also head, head, tail. This also common. 3 option also common. And the next tail, head, head. This also common. This one also common. Only for 2 options, so 2 possibilities are common. So P of A intersection B intersection C equal to n of A intersection B intersection C by n of S. 2 by 8. Apply the big formula. P of 3 option given means apply the big formula. P of A union B union C equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of A intersection B minus P of B intersection C minus P of A intersection C plus P of A intersection B intersection. Apply the values. P of A 3 by 8, P of B 7 by 8, 3 by 8, 3 by 8 minus 2 by 8 minus 2 by 8. Next P of A intersection B intersection plus 2 by 8. Cancel the term. One positive negative cancel, one more positive negative cancel. Then commonly apply for 8. 3 plus 7 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 by 8 equal to, cancel the term, answer equal to 1.